Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we are reviewing the LEGO Super Mario 64 block set. Click the link below for the best price. This set is something truly special. At first glance, it's a bright yellow block, instantly recognizable from the classic Mario games. But what makes it so unique is the way it opens up to reveal four meticulously detailed microscale dioramas from Super Mario 64, Peach's Castle, Bob-omb Battlefield, Cool Mountain, and Lethal Lava Trouble, each one packed with nods, Easter eggs, and miniature builds that will instantly take you back to the golden age of Nintendo gaming. Once fully built, the transformation is magical. The block folds open with smooth LEGO engineering, revealing layer after layer of interactive scenes that are surprisingly detailed given the small scale. Peach's Castle sits at the top and serves as the crown of the display, featuring its iconic red roof and central tower. Below it, each world is cleverly nestled into the folding structure. Bob-omb Battlefield includes the cannons, hills, and King Bob-omb's mountaintop perch. Cool Mountain has icy terrain, a little snowman, and the unforgettable penguin race path. And Lethal Lava Trouble is glowing with red elements, platforms, and the classic fire spinning hazards. It's more than just a LEGO set, it's a piece of interactive art that pays tribute to one of the most beloved video games of all time. The build process is immersive, too. With over 2,000 pieces included, this set offers several hours of satisfying construction, starting with the cube's outer shell and gradually leading into the hidden inner levels. It's an experience that combines puzzle solving, storytelling, and precise craftsmanship. What really sets it apart is the attention to detail. LEGO didn't just slap a Mario theme on a cube, they engineered a build that unfolds in ways that feel clever and intuitive. Everything from the color palette to the proportions feels right. Even the miniature figures of Mario, Peach, Lakitu, and other characters feel alive despite their tiny scale. And although it's designed for adults, younger fans will appreciate watching the transformation and exploring each section. It makes a fantastic display piece on a shelf or desk, thanks to its bold color and clean design when closed, and becomes an instant conversation starter when you open it to reveal the hidden game worlds inside. If you're a Mario fan, a LEGO collector, or just someone who appreciates brilliant design and nostalgia in equal measure, the LEGO Super Mario 64 block is an absolute must-have. It bridges the worlds of gaming and brick building in a way that's truly joyful. The way it captures the charm of Super Mario 64 in such a compact, creative format is nothing short of genius. Click the link below for the best price and bring a little Nintendo magic into your home with the LEGO Super Mario 64 block.